Hey guys, Matt Woxler here from Wheels Through Time. We're in the restoration shop. Big day today. We're firing up the 1950s Harley-Davidson Panhead drag bike. You guys might have been following along with a little bit of our programming earlier this year. This machine, incredibly historic bike, raced by Les Myers. He was the Wichita Falls Harley-Davidson dealer from the 20s all the way into the 60s. Les, in 1958, won AMA Rocky Mountain and Southwest top eliminator on this motorcycle. And today we've got it back together and we're going to fire it up for the first time. So the bike, 80 cubic inch, high compression panhead, entirely custom stuff though. Special frames, special front end, tiny little special homemade drag gas tanks. Believe it or not, this big, huge 80-inch motor is pushing power to the rear wheel through a 45 transmission. You notice this transmission, no kicker here. So the kicker was actually the weak part of the 45 transmission. So what he's done is omit the kicker altogether, brazed up the hole. We're going to be firing this bike with another piece of history. Right over here, guys, we actually have the starter from Tom Reiser's national champion XR750. So this starter, now Tom Reiser's XR750 inside the museum, 200 horsepower, nitromethane, total custom drag or custom hill climb motorcycle. Incredible machine. We've run it a couple times here at the museum. Tom Reiser, only guy to win national drag race and national hill climb championships. So this starter is what started that XR750 at every single race. What we've done here is modify the drive. We put a big sprocket on there. My pal Ken came by and helped me make this setup, welded a hex to the motor sprocket, and this thing ought to turn that bike over no problem. So I'm going to hand this off to Chris. Now what we've got here is we've got dual carburetors. We got a carb out each side. So we're going to flip the gas on both sides. Tiny little simplex Servicycle gas tank that's been split into two gas tanks. We've got both sides full. Dual MR racing carburetors, the same as on WRs, KRs, feeding the fuel to this bike. So this is the very first start. We've spun the motor over, but with no gas, guys. So moment of truth. Right now, I hope you guys are excited as we are. Let's hear it roar. Okay, I'm going to put a little hand on the choke when you spin it. I'm ready. All right, there you have it, guys. 1950s Harley-Davidson hot rod. This motorcycle went 117 miles an hour in the quarter mile in 1958. I don't know that I'm going to be making any passes like that, but who knows? One of these days you might see this thing out on the drag strip just for historic purposes. Guys, thanks for tuning in. Les Myers drag bike, piece of history. Come see it at Wheels Through Time this summer. Thanks for tuning in.